Hi guys, this is Arnold from stallionauto. Welcome to my new vlog. In this vlog, I'll be unboxing Apple TV 4K HD or 32 GB version. Let's open the box. Here we find Apple TV and a wireless Bluetooth remote. Below we can see there's some space. This is actually for ventilation purposes. Here there are three ports for adapter, HDMI port and Ethernet port. Now let's go for the remote. The remote has a trackpad. It has a microphone and a lightning cable port for its charging. Apart from the Apple TV and its remote, what we get are some manuals, two Apple TV stickers, a 1.5 meter long lightning cable for remote charging, and a power adapter for Apple TV. This is how it gets plugged into the Apple TV. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.